Hello, welcome back. Let's revise some suku kata. Ka, ta, pa, ba, sa, na, ma, ki, ti, pi, bi, si, ni, mi, ku, tu, pu, bu, su, nu, mu, ya, yi, you. Now let's learn a new sound. This letter sound in Malay is ch. Ch. It is not like the k sound in English. Okay, let's say it again. Ch. Ch. Now let's learn the suku kata. Ch, a, cha, cha. Here we have cha, one, cha, one. Cha one, it's a cup. Ch, e, g, g. Here we have g, cha, g, cha. Cicak, it's a lizard. Ch, oo, chu, chu. Here we have chu, chi, chu, chi. It means to wash. Now let's say the suku kata again. Cha, chi, chu, chi, chu, cha, chu, cha, chi. Let's read more words. Here we have chu, and this is ba. Put them together, we have chu, ba, chu, ba. Juba means to try. Here, the baby is trying to stand up. Juba. Here we have ba, and this is cha. Put them together, we have ba, cha. Baca. Baca means to read. How do we write this letter? We start at the middle line. This is the middle line. Okay, so from here we make a curve going left, curve down, and turn here and stop at the bottom line. Okay, let's write this again. We start at the middle, curve left, turn and stop at the bottom line. Okay, so keep trying until you can write this well. That's all we have for now. Remember to keep trying. Okay, bye-bye. I'll see you again.